So today we are making what we called it the naughty white chocolate pretzel slice. So just to do something a little bit different away from your normal Marie biscuit, tennis biscuit kind of pastry base is to add a little bit of salty, which is a bit of a trend, obviously like salted caramel, but this is to use a pretzel snack. Okay, so rolling pin or mallet, and you just give it a nice bash. You can see they crush really easy. And a little bit of caster sugar, a little bit being 2 tablespoons, and then 2 egg yolks, and then some melted butter. Blend that all nicely together. Okay, so that's the first section of our naughty white chocolate pretzel tart. 180, pop it in the oven, 1 cup of butter that is melting. There we go, 400 grams of broken chocolate, and then just carefully melt it to like a glorious Valentine mass. So in your mixer, now you do need a mixer. You've got some sugar, a little bit of salt, okay, a little bit of corn flour, and this is going to combine and bring together the milk chocolate so it doesn't separate. And eggs, how many eggs? 4 eggs, Bianca?
8
eggs, okay, it's a big tart. All right, so let's just get that all into a nice consistency. So that's 1 cup of Asia pouring cream, and slowly pour this in. Sugar rush. Here's our tart. Just look at that. And it looks like a milk tart. I'm going to add something really quite spectacular, and that's a little bit more crunch. And with the rest of the packet, because you don't want to waste, I'm going to make a caramel pretzel crunchy topping. I've got 2 cups of sugar in here. So this is just simmering. It's going to turn golden brown. Okay, we're ready. Look, and it goes really quick. Plonk those in, and then you've got to go really quick. Make sure you've got a cloth on hand. And there we go. Go. It's just got the right little wobble. Okay, now we're just going to pop it into the fridge for 4 hours, better still overnight, because then it gets more fudgier and stickier the colder it gets.
Oh,
that
beautiful.
Baby. And you can either stick shards like that, or you can just cover it beautifully.
Ooh.
Look at that. Before my tart runneth over, I need to find my Valentine. Sure, that's crazy, sweet deliciousness.